Hey there, history buffs. Ever wondered how Coca-Cola came to be? Grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into the fascinating story of how this iconic drink was invented. It all started back in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia. John Stith Pemberton, a pharmacist with a flair for concoctions, was looking for a new product to market. Picture it, the late 19th century, a time when patent medicines were all the rage. Pemberton wanted a piece of that pie and began experimenting in his backyard. Pemberton's original formula was quite different from what we know today. It included coca leaf extract, which contained cocaine, and cola nuts, which had caffeine. He mixed these with carbonated water and voila! He had his first version of Coca-Cola. Interestingly, the name Coca-Cola was coined by Pemberton's bookkeeper, Frank Robinson. Robinson also designed the iconic script logo that is still used today. But the road to success wasn't smooth. Pemberton faced several hurdles, the first being the initial reception of his drink. Sales were sluggish at first, and to make matters worse, Pemberton was struggling with morphine addiction due to injuries he sustained during the Civil War. Financially strapped, he began selling off portions of his business to cover his debts. Enter Asa Griggs Candler, a savvy businessman who saw the potential in Coca-Cola. By 1891, Candler had acquired full control of the company for about $2,300. He was instrumental in transforming Coca-Cola from a modest local drink to a nationwide sensation. Candler ramped up marketing efforts, giving away coupons for free samples and plastering the brand's name on every billboard he could find. But it wasn't all plain sailing for Candler either. The early 1900s saw growing public concern over the health effects of cocaine. By 1904, Coca-Cola began using a spent coca leaf, which had most of the cocaine removed. This change helped to allay public fears and align the drink with emerging regulations. Fast forward to today, and Coca-Cola is a global phenomenon. It's amazing to think that this world-renowned beverage started as a simple concoction in a small pharmacy. John Pemberton might not have lived to see the full fruits of his labor, but his invention has undoubtedly left a lasting legacy. So next time you crack open a can of Coke, remember the journey it took to get there. From a backyard experiment to a symbol of refreshment recognized worldwide, Coca-Cola's history is as rich and effervescent as the drink itself. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of Coca-Cola, be sure to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the past. Until next time, keep sipping and keep exploring.